Hello, Odette and I would like to thank you for joining Trading XYZ. We've made this video to help you get started. It'll also help you understand how we do things. If you've signed up for our free trial, you'll know you'll be receiving our next 5 trading signals. These may take a few months to happen or they can happen relatively quickly. It really will depend on when the models fire off signals. But by going through these 5 trading signals, it'll help you understand how things work, it'll help you familiarize yourself with our process, and it'll help you that when you do go live, you'll be comfortable and ready. Meanwhile, we're always here to answer any questions you may have. Just drop us an email. As you know, the night before, you're going to receive an email that looks something like this. This tells you that there's a possibility for the next morning. So about 9 o'clock US Eastern Time, you want to start getting your dashboard open and making sure that it's all working and fine. The way you're going to do that is you're going to go into My Account. And in My Account, you're going to see My Account Management, My Money Management System, the Trade Alert Dashboard, and Reports. You also see what day you started your subscription, how many signals you have remaining. So let's click Trade Alert Dashboard. This is how we communicate with you, and this is where you're going to receive your buy and sell trading signals. Up here, you're going to see the various trade, the X trade, the Y trade, the Z trade, the symbol that we're currently trading. We're going to set the trade, so that means we're going to buy to open or sell to open a position, the trade signal to exit. You also will see our stop loss. This is a text box where we send you communication, and this thermometer here will just help you understand if we're getting warmer or closer to a trade. I'll also be sending out text messages, so as we're sitting around waiting for the trade to happen, I'll let you know if it's getting close, start paying attention, or it's still far away, just hang in there for a little while. Okay, I'm going to take you through an example or two here so you can start to see how this works. I'm going to turn on the X trade. Going to put in the symbol that we're trading. Always put our stop in. So we're currently trading with 7 points. So you can see the stop right here. All right. We're going to sell to open a position, and we're going to buy to close a position. So now you know the setup. This isn't the signal. It's just the setup. So you know you're going to be selling to open a new position and to buying to close a position. The signals are going to fire off in this box to enter and in this area when we exit. So let's say we're going to enter now. Okay, that's what it looks like when the entry occurs. Now, I'm going to also say, for example, while we're in the trade, I may give you a text message that says, take your profit if it's 50 cents or greater. Don't wait for our exit signal. This occurs when there's fast-moving markets or the objective is shrinking real quickly. Instead of sending you a message or a signal, I'd rather just have you take the profit right away if it occurs. So I might send this off like this. Or maybe there's going to be a quick exit possible, so I might send a message that says it's a quick exit, watch, we're getting ready to go. We may be getting warmer with the trade or farther away from a trade, so we'll raise the temperature of the thermometer if we're getting closer. Let's say now we want to exit the trade. Okay, so that's what an exit will look like. Now I'm going to turn on the Y trade. I'm going to put in the symbol that we're trading. Okay, again, the stop 7 points. In this case, we're going to buy to open up a new position. Over here, buy to open a new position and sell to close that position. So we fire off the signal. Okay, and then we're going to fire off the signal to exit. The other thing I'd like you to notice is that we're using red and black. Red is always to sell, black is to buy. Let's go back to My Account now and go into the My Money Management System. In the My Money Management System, you have the ability to create what we call tracks. Tracks are the way you're going to play the game, the risk level that you're going to set for yourself, so it determines the position size for all the next trades that you're going to be taking. I encourage you to pretty much pick a risk level that you want to play at and don't change it back and forth. Also, when you're adding or subtracting dollars to the accounts, this will tend to change your returns. Sometimes this could work for you. It can also work against you if you're adding big dollars or subtracting dollars and what occurs with trades. But try to keep it steady if possible. So I'm going to take you in the tracks panel here. You can also see an actions panel, the trade history panel, and the track history panel. We're going to go through all of these. But if you click on these arrows, the panel opens up. So here you'll see that we don't have a track yet. So we're going to create a track. And we're going to put in all the characteristics of the track. So I'm going to say we have a $3,000 margin per contract. I'm going to select the risk level that I want to play the game at. So I'm going to say 3.5%. The commission, that's going to be a round trip commission. So I pay $2 a contract, so I'm going to put $4. Let's say my starting balance is $50,000. And I'm going to call my track Chris. You can call it whatever you like. So create. Okay. Now you see the track has been created. What you'd like to do is you need to select the track that you're going to use, but you can see the name of it, the date it was created, the margin you're using, and all the characteristics. You'll also see the points you've gained or lost, the total dollars you made or lost, the percent change for the year, and the risk level that you're playing at. You're also not limited in tracks. You can create different tracks and different risk levels. In the actions panel, you can modify the track. You can also add the trades that you've taken. So the first thing I'd like you to do is just show you that over here you can change your margin, you can modify the commission, you can change the name or add and subtract dollars to the account. This is where you're going to enter the trades as you're taking them, modify and update the account. As you can see right here, given everything else right now, on the next trade you would be taking 4 contracts you would play. So let's just say that you created this account on 6/10. I'm going to make this say on a trade that you took on June 15th, for example. Now it was a Y trade. You sold, and let's say we made 2 points on 4 contracts. So you'll add that trade to your track. Okay, so now you can see up here how everything has changed. Your current balance, the 2 points, the percentage change, and how everything changed. If you wanted to add some dollars, for example, say you wanted to add $20,000, you can add the money. Okay, and you'll see how your contract size now changed because you've added additional money into the account. Or if you want to subtract dollars, I'm not going to take you through all of these, but I just wanted to show you that this is how you modify the account. Now, in the trade history panel, when you open that up, you'll see, for example, that trade that you just entered. So you can track all the trades that you've taken. Below that, we have the track history panel. And what this is, since 1998, if you played the game at 3.5%, this is what your returns would have been historically. These are simulated and net historical returns. So going back to my account now.